All right, guys, a little work video talking about the Z-clips and a constant bit of work that we're happy to have. So what I would do is I would set the back gauge on the shear down to 1.5 inches. It runs this back gauge right here close to the blade, and you can regulate what you cut. Start the shear, put the piece of metal in there, which would be what we use these clips is a 4x8 sheet, 4x10 sheet, and a 50-52 hardness of 050 thickness aluminum. You just set it in there, push it to the back gauge, set the pedal, and just keep shearing it. And at the end of the day, you end up with about 75 of these strips. And Stacy has the brake set up at 40 degrees on the first brake with a little stopper. Very, very rudimentary stuff. She's got the brake set with these little dots right here. We drilled through this piece of angle iron on the brake, so she lines them up, closes the brake, pushes it all the way to the stop, and she just takes it out. And then the second bend is also marked on there, which is really the natural finger to the brake. She clamps down on it, puts a little reverse kick on it, and comes out with this piece with a little reverse edge on it. You see from there, it turns it from straight to that kick right there. And a customer of ours uses them for a project, an ongoing fastener they use, which they can buy them extruded, but they like ours because they cut them to length and they're flexible. So my end of it is Stacy can make about, she can do 100 an hour, but 60 to 70 to 75 an hour. Then I just stack them up over on this table, 10 deep. I put 3 clamps on them. I got a little pattern to keep my holes somewhat, and I drill holes in them. I put the clamp on it like this. I drill the holes in them. We tape them up at 25 a stack, and here's a whole stack of them on the table, and we send them over to the customer, and they use them for what they need, and we get $1.50 a linear foot for them, and we average about 400 a month. So if you think that my wife can't use this equipment in this shop, she can. Every bit of it. The shear,
so
the rollers.
All of these get broke twice.
And she does about
that over 400 times.
I wish we did 800 a month.
Okay.
Take them as we get them, right, baby?
Yes.